India, now he's going all around Nepal. He plans to go to Bangladesh. He plans to go to India. So very honored to have him. Sorry, I'm just written your name on the actually kagas ke position hai. Vishal Dekade, है ना? So Vishal Dekade, very honored to have you here. और खाना लगे नहीं होता खाना विचार. And I'm asking him, how do you manage financially? भन्दाखेरि he says, I just love writing, and you donated your money, है ना? ल भएको पैसा पनि donate गरे ल. ल very honored to have Vishal also among us. Okay, now we've come to the last of our program.
Hi, good morning everybody. First, I must say I must be thankful to Foray Group, especially Ravi Dada and Diamond Da. The moment I entered into Nepal, they have been coordinating me where you are and where are you staying. Even he referred some of the friends where I stayed for 2 days, for 3 days, and now I'm staying here only in Foray office since a week, I guess. So yeah, when it comes to my ride, I had started my ride on 13 June 2020. Almost it's been 707 days here. And yeah, as Sir had asked me, how do you manage? You are only 22 years old, and how you are arranging your financial things and all. So something I learnt in traveling, that traveling is more than money, it's about humanity. Whatever roads I have been traveling, it happened when second wave had appeared. I was totally shocked and I was stuck in a different state. All people are speaking in a different language. I don't have any home, what to do, where to go. I did not have any idea, with the empty pocket. So that time I started searching for a work, and I got a very good manager, and he told me, we have a work, but would you like to do that? That time I came to know if I have less ego, I would be glad doing any work, and I worked as a waiter for 2 months just to survive in the COVID period. Thank you. Apart from that, it even happened that when I had donated my all the money on the 13th day of my journey, now I don't have money, I have to survive, what to do, where to go, how to have food. So it happens now we want food, but now I don't have money, so I have only one option. I have to beg, I have to ask. But how to ask food? Because that ego keeps on touching us. Are you mad? ऐसे दिन आगे कुछ पे कि तो खाना लोगों से मांग रहा है. But when I started doing, I realized कि मुझ में कितना ego भरा था, and I started dropping it. Or any traveler who is traveling anywhere, he carries all the luggage, but he doesn't have to carry one luggage. That luggage is ego. If you remove your ego while traveling, it will become more beautiful and more enchanting. You will encounter more beautiful people. So yeah, it even happened in the journey that as I was totally empty and the first wave was yet to end, people used to throw me out of villages, out of temples, out of mosques, out of church. I used to go to village asking them, sir, I want to make stay here. Can you suggest me a place where I can make stay? They used to ask, where are you from? I am from Nagpur. Get out, don't stay here. If you stay here for more than 5 minutes, we will beat you. And I was supposed to move further. So रात के 9 बज जाते थे, 10 बज जाते थे. I am just traveling. पेट में भी कुछ नहीं होता था. क्या करूँ कुछ समझता नहीं था. But I am thankful to that situation, that because this situation gave me a very good experience to find myself into the graveyard, and I spent 2 days in graveyard sleeping there. When it comes to starting my journey, and as we all are discussing about the human depression, so my motivation even came out of depression. I was victim of insomnia for 6 months, and I was thinking a lot, what am I doing in my life? I have become 21 years old, but what actually I did? Somewhere I came to know everyone wants I to fix into a medium. For example, what is right and wrong for my parents, for my society had become right and wrong for me. Whatever was ideal way of living life for the other people had become ideal way of living life for me, and somewhere I came to know, no, what am I doing actually? And that had got me into the depression. I would like to thankful, as everything has a two sides. So I am thankful to my depression. If someone asks me, it's been 2 years, like you were depressed and you started journey, so are you still into the depression? I will say yes, I am still into the depression. But just the thing is, now my depression has become my motivation. And thank you. Last thing that I would like to end up, everyone who are here, you, one day for sure is going to be into the depression, for sure. Because depression will come in front of you as a learning to teach you something. And please accept it, and suicide is never an option. If you want to commit suicide, then commit suicide, but not of your body, but your thoughts. You need to kill your thoughts. And last thing, be grateful always. Now I am speaking, you all are listening. Hello? Are you listening to me?
Yes.
But at the same time, you woke up, I woke up, but there are 700 million people that did not wake up. They are not able to enjoy the rain, they are not able to see the sunrise. You had breakfast in the morning. You had? I even had breakfast. But there are still people who are searching the garbage bags to find out at least a piece of wheat to eat. So why are you in depression, brother? Why are you into the depression? Be grateful, because grateful is a key of right way of living life. And again, thankful to the Foray group for having me over, and you two all for listening me with a very patience. Thank you so much.
Thank you. But like he said, you know, I mean, it's all in the mind. म साठी पुगेर पनि म मरे पनि टेन्सन लिँदिनँ, जसको जे भयो नि टेन्सन लिँदिनँ. अब आज त लिँदै भोलि I don't know what will happen. Anyway, let's not waste much time. I'd like